Once upon a time, there was a young couple who lived a happy life together, but they constantly worried if their happiness would last forever. One day, they heard about a wise old man who could solve all kinds of problems and guide people. They decided to visit him and seek his advice. So the couple decided to visit the wise old man and tell him their source of worry. The wise old man told them, "Travel around the world and seek a man and a woman who are perfectly happy as a couple. When you find such a couple, ask them for a piece of cloth from the man's shirt. Then keep that piece of cloth with you, and you always remain happy." The young couple began their journey to find the happiest couple in their world. In one place, they heard that the governor and his wife were the happiest people. So they went to their palace and asked them, "Are you the happiest couple?" The governor and his wife replied, "Yes, we are happy in every way except for one thing. We do not have any children." Well, that didn't make the governor and his wife the happiest couple, so they continued their journey. They arrived in one city where they had heard that the happiest couple lived. They went to their house and asked them, "Are you the happiest couple?" The couple replied, "Yes, we are really happy in every way, except that we have too many children which make our life a bit uncomfortable." No, this couple did not sound to be the happiest. Finally, the young couple came across a shepherd in the desert. The shepherd was grazing his sheep when his wife and child came along. The shepherd greeted his wife and gently patted the child she was carrying. She laid the mat and started to eat contentedly. The young couple came to them and asked them, "Are you the happiest couple?" The shepherd and his wife replied, "Nobody is unhappier than the king." The young couple immediately realized that they were the happiest couple and asked them for a piece of shepherd's shirt so that their happiness too would last throughout. The shepherd said, "If I give you a piece of cloth from my shirt, then I will be left without any clothes since I own just one shirt." The young couple realized that perfect happiness is not found in material possessions or external circumstances. They went to the wise old man and related all that had taken place. They also complained that his guidance was difficult to abide by. The wise old man laughed and said, "Was your journey useless, or did you learn something from it?" The young man replied, "Yes, after this trip, I have learned that in this world nobody is perfectly happy. Only that person is happy who does everything to please God." The young couple learned that the secret of lasting happiness is not found in worldly possessions or achievements, but in having a heart filled with gratitude and contentment, and in living a life that pleases God. With this newfound knowledge, they returned home with peace in their hearts and renewed sense of purpose. So remember, nobody has a perfect life. Everyone has their own problems. Some people just know how to deal with it in a perfect way. And remember that there is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Be bright and stay happy in life.